In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to recover WhatsApp deleted messages. So to recover your WhatsApp deleted messages, this is what you can do. The first thing I want you to do, I want you to go to the WhatsApp, go to your WhatsApp. So you want to open up the WhatsApp app. So once you open up the WhatsApp, if you check the bottom right corner, you're going to see a settings icon over there. I want you to tap on that settings icon. So once you tap on that settings icon, I want you to scroll down to charts. So once you get to chat, I want you to tap on charts. So once you tap on charts, it will bring up this page for you. On this page, I want you to tap on chat backup. So once you tap on chat backup, it will load up this page for you. On this page, I want you to look at the top closely. Look at it closely. You are going to see where it says last backup today 11:24. What this means is this. It means my chat was back up today at this so time. So if you know that you want to check the date of the last backup, if the date of the last backup falls to the time range the message was deleted, fine, you can restore it back. But if you know that the message was not backed up prior to the time that the message was deleted, you cannot restore it back. But if you know that the message was already backed up before it was deleted, you can restore it back by doing this thing. Once you are sure that the message was back up already, as you can see, auto backup is weekly. As you can see, my auto backup is weekly. But once you are sure that the last backup falls to the time the message was deleted, you can now proceed. What do you have to do here? You just have to go back to your home page. Once you go to your home screen on your phone, I want you to locate the WhatsApp app. Once you get the WhatsApp app, I want you to tap and hold on it. Once you tap and hold on it, I want you to delete it from your phone. Delete the WhatsApp from your iPhone. What will this do for you? Once you delete it from your iPhone, the data, everything will be removed. Then you want to go to your Apple Store. Once you get to your Apple Store, restore it back and download it back to your iPhone. Once you download the WhatsApp back to your iPhone, then you want to open it, you want to log in. It will ask you to put in your information, your phone number, everything. Put in everything by following the on-screen informations. Once you put in everything, then the last part is going to show you restore backup. So you just want to tap on restore backup. Once you tap on the restore backup, all your deleted and old messages will be restored back to the WhatsApp. So guys, this is how you can actually restore and recover your deleted messages on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.